Hey, hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your CB2 micro on the IRC, on an IRC server. And the CB2 micro doesn't have a network card to handle the protocols needed for this. So we're going to use a computer nearby as a with appropriate software to handle the internet connectivity, and we're going to use our CB2 micro as a terminal for this. And of course, to connect to IRC, you need a program which is compatible with the IRC protocol. But you can also connect using Telnet through on an IRC server, but you have to know a little bit about the commands and how to connect to it. So you can connect the CB2 micro to the internet using one of these ESP-based modules, Wi-Fi modules, to handle the communication to the internet. And these have virtual smart modem commands implemented into them. But I didn't want to use such a module, so I have chosen to use the help of a PC nearby with appropriate software. And currently the software that I'm using is the Telnet BBS server. Okay, it has been written for the Commodore machines, and it can act as a BBS server, but also it has 80 commands emulation. So you can use this one, and you just run this program on your computer, and you enable the client mode, okay, the smart modem. And it uses 80 commands to connect to an IP address. So this is what we're going to do now in our CB2 micro. And I have already opened here the CB Mini, which is our terminal here in the CB2 micro currently. And I have already input a line here to connect to a specific address. So ATDT 185.4.135.31 is the IP address of the server, of the IRC server that I want to connect, and the port is the 6667. So I'm gonna now call this, and it will now cooperate with this program and make the Telnet connection to this IP and port. But we need to handle the connection to an IRC server a little bit differently. So I'm gonna try to connect here, and then I will explain you the different commands. So if I click, if I press enter, I'll have to be a little bit quick here because it asks for for the nickname. I mean, I have to input the nickname, and then it asks you for responding to a ping command with a specified ID, and you have to respond to this with this specified ID, and then you have to define your name, and then you're just connected to the IRC server. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, we have connected. I issue a nickname command. This is the ping. I reply. Okay, I reply with a PON command with the ID, and then name. Okay, we've just lost connection here. I had to be a little bit faster. Yes, let's try that again. Okay, we are connected to the IRC server now. And I've just realized that I have to replace the name command with user, okay? So you see the right command there. Okay, we're now connected to the IRC server, and hopefully we can ping, yes, we can ping it. So we can now use all the commands that we have used to connect to the different channels and do our IRCing, okay? So yes, the commands are a little bit different. For example, if you want to join a channel, you type join and hash and then the channel name as we have used. But when you want to send a message to the channel, you have to issue a privmsg command with a privmsg, the channel name, and then the message. And if you want to chat with a person in a channel, you have to issue a privmsg command to this a person, and then the message, okay? So it's a little bit different, but you can find this information on the internet on connecting to IRC through Telnet, okay? So that's it. We're now connected and to the IRC server. So thanks very much for watching this video. See you again.